Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So guys, update here on Bitcoin, BTC USD. We have again a new all-time high and we broke out here of this bull flag or this trend channel pattern which we had. I already made here a couple of videos, so I will give you now here the updated price chart here for Bitcoin with my landing zone price target here. And of course everything what I say here is based on the chart and not financial advice. Okay guys, if you're new to this channel, welcome. The main purpose is to educate you in trading. I usually talk here about short squeeze stocks, but also cover cryptocurrencies on my channel. I love to trade short squeeze stocks, and of course I love to predict them. I will show you later in the video what I mean by that. Yo guys, very nice breakout. We had here this kind of bull flag pattern or trend channel pattern in the chart. I can just redraw that for you here very quick, where we broke out here. That was very nice ping pong trading here for Bitcoin. So we had here a trend channel pattern, which means that every time when we hit here the top of this trend channel, it was a resistance. When we hit the bottom, it acted like a support. And of course, this is a typical bull flag pattern. To be very honest guys, there was a chance that this is a fake pattern here, but now we have our confirmed breakout, and of course we also broke the resistance price levels. That's why I deleted already this pattern from my previous video. And now the question is guys, where is the next price goal here for Bitcoin? In my opinion, the landing zone 1, which we have here, is $95,470. I calculated that by some price actions here. So if we of course here see a continuation of this short squeeze, that means since we had this shakeout here to $49,000, the support price level, by the way guys, is $52,700. So everything below that is for now just a dip. That doesn't mean that Bitcoin cannot dip lower than that, but for now we are here in a super bullish market, and that causes here a price action of round about 92%. That doesn't mean that Bitcoin will stop here at $95,470, but for now this is the price target what I expect, because the whole market is squeezing. But you have to be careful guys, when the market is overheated, then of course it is possible that we see here a correction incoming in the next months. I personally expect that these kind of short squeezes here and the bull runs which we have in the overall stock market, it's not only Bitcoin guys, a lot of very popular stocks as well building new all-time highs. Tesla just squeezed guy. I also predicted the Tesla squeeze and said we will go to $290 and the next price goal is over $400. You can of course also check out the content on that if you want. And what I just said before, I tried to predict short squeezes here. I also did that for Bitcoin here in the past. So for me personally, the perfect buy-in price range here for Bitcoin was in the $26,000 to $28,000 range here. That was the trend line which we had in the chart, and overall Bitcoin is trading here in an uptrend channel. We are of course super bullish with Bitcoin, but be careful guys, the market makers can also create some huge shakeouts here or some huge sell-offs. No drama, no squeeze is my credo guys. You can see from the top, which we had the previous all-time high here back in 2021. Bitcoin lost temporary here minus 77%, and you don't want to have a minus 77% portfolio or the number in your portfolio for 1 year or more guys. This is very dangerous. So we are here in the trend channel pattern, and you can see that now Bitcoin is squeezing out of this trend channel pattern. That might look super bullish guys, but I would be careful here. If you can see that guys here, my drawing here, every time when we squeezed out of this trend channel, we had a massive sell-off reaction here. Here it was not that violent. That's why I would be very careful. As I said, the market is super bullish right now. That's why it is possible that we come even back, or that we increase here to $95,000. But sooner or later the market needs a correction. When something is exploding like that and you see here straight lines to the upside, then a correction is necessary. We had the same here guys. You can see the all-time high was here $73,000, and then Bitcoin came back here to $49,000. Some of my friends sold their positions. I didn't give any financial advices. They sold their positions and I asked them later, why you sold that? This is just a shakeout, but of course that's part of the game guys and part of trading. Guys, I said that I try to predict here short squeezes, and I upload here every Sunday my so-called hot stocks. If you also want to see something about stock trading guys, I have here some tickers in my pocket which have very high squeeze potential. There is never a guarantee, guys. I cannot see the future, but I predicted here many squeezes in the past. As I just showed you here, Bitcoin made here from the shakeout, or could make here a 98 or almost 100% move. But my hot stocks here, guys, I can just give you a very quick overview. The biggest squeeze which I had here in October was 854%. Every Sunday I released those videos, and then this ticker here started to squeeze 854% in just 2 days. So this is what I call a short squeeze, guys. In November we had here a very easy squeeze of 113% in 1 day. And the biggest squeeze in September, I just show you now here, the biggest ones was this one here, 1400%, one of my hot stocks. Ripped the hell out of the market, guys. Yeah. If you want to see those kind of short squeeze stocks, then you can of course become here a part or member of our trading community. The most popular membership which I have is the full package membership on Patreon. You can see all the member benefits here, guys. And if you click here the info icon, then you can access the Patreon member link. Everybody is welcome here. Doesn't matter if you are a crypto trader, a newcomer, guys, or an absolute somebody who has no experience in trading. Everybody is welcome, guys. We're growing here every day. And you can join in when you click here the info icon in the corner. Yeah, guys, my game plan for Bitcoin here is I waiting here for the landing zone at $95,000. I don't see any scenario right now why we should turn bearish here. We have a breakout out of this trend channel. As I said, sooner or later there will be a correction incoming. I will show you the new price levels, of course, as well in the next video. But for now, $95,400 is my price range or my price target zone here for Bitcoin, where if you're trading this currency here, guys, I usually would take here some profits. This is, of course, not financial advice. The market is super bullish, and I don't see any signals right now why we should turn bearish. We have usually a November and December rally. This is normally happening. We didn't had the bearish month in September, so there was no big pullback in September. Even Bitcoin here had something like a pullback here, but you can see that already here in September this rip started here. So this is very unusual, and that's why I say be careful, guys. When we don't have a bearish correction in September, that means there will be a bearish correction maybe in the beginning of the next year. To the downside, price goals. So when we now see that the all-time high was the resistance here, so something here in the $69,000 range was a resistance. That means that trend channel top line here, or the trend channel price levels here, should act like a support. And even if you would see a flush sell-off here incoming for a few weeks, that means still, guys, that here the bottom of the trend channel is the support. I have my green landing zone here in the chart since weeks, guys, where I expect Bitcoin to come down in a few weeks or a few months, guys. But this is not to scare you. This is just what we will see here when the market turns bearish. For now, we are, of course, super bullish here, and the landing price on is $95,400. Yeah, guys, you can of course copy here the price levels from my chart. Make it or break it price level right now for Bitcoin is here $69,000. So that could act as a support. If you see here a correction incoming, it is possible that we see here a support and bounce back from that. $95,400 the price goal to the upside, and $52,700 here. The yellow line is the make it or break it price level here for Bitcoin if you would see here a sell-off incoming. Yeah, if you want to copy the price levels, the program, what you see here is called TradingView, guys. I use that for all my videos and for all my trades. If you want to learn trading, if you want to understand how the algos work, it is very important that you know how to read a chart. That's why I recommend that program. You can of course take here advantage of my discount link. When you click the info icon here in the corner, you get access to my discount link and you save $15. I always recommend the premium tier. This is good for beginners and advanced traders. Yeah, friends, that was my update here on Bitcoin. I hope that video was helpful for you. If you don't want to miss any updates, if you like that content here, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I would really appreciate that. I thank you very much for your time and see you in the next video. Arigatou gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Bitcoin Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.